Marissa.
And I'm Janelle, and today we're making allergy-friendly cookies. We also have some helpers today, my brothers Callum and Isaac. Because why not?
If you want to make these cookies, you can find the recipe in the description below.
So before we start actually making the cookies, I want to explain why we're doing it. So our brothers, Isaac and Callum, have food allergies. So Callum here is allergic to milk, eggs, nuts, and peaches. And Isaac is allergic to nuts. So we gotta get a little creative with our baking. So with this recipe, it is mostly allergy safe. It is safe for all except for maybe the flour for wheat or gluten. But we replace the butter with vegan butter. We use applesauce instead of eggs. And we use White Chocolate Chips because they are safe for the top 8 allergies. If you can't have wheat, you can replace the flour just like we did with all the other ingredients to make it safe for our brothers. So let's start baking.
For this recipe, you will need 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 cups of Enjoy Life chocolate chips, which are allergy-friendly, 3/4 cups of sugar, 3/4 cups of brown sugar, 2 sticks of vegan butter, or we use 1 cup of Crisco and 1 stick of vegan butter, half a cup of applesauce, replacing the eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of salt.
Okay, so Callum, you add in the 1 stick of butter. Back of it out. Okay. Then also the brown sugar. Make sure it all comes out. It's fine. Yeah, it's fine.
Isaac, can you do the...
Now we add in the shortening.
Isaac, thank you.
Yes, I will. The sugar.
Then we need the vanilla extract. Okay, got it up. Oh, and we also need to test that mix.
Okay.
Because we just fixed this mixer. That's going to be in an upcoming video. But we fixed this mixer, so let's see if it works. Yay! Hooray!
Yeah!
So what we're doing is, yes, it is creaming down. We got cream the butter so that way it's ready for our next ingredient. Okay, I think it's done. Perfect. Okay, so next we need applesauce. Good. There we go. We gotta mix that in. That's good.
I still smell the applesauce.
Yeah, you can smell it.
Are you supposed to taste the applesauce when you make the cookies?
You don't really.
No, it gets like mixed in with all
It
like,
is going to be a little liquidy, so we will have to add in some extra flour once we're done though, since we're using applesauce instead of eggs.
Okay.
This next?
No, flour.
Okay.
And we're going to add it a little bit at a time. Okay.
How about you take the spatula, switch with Callum, and I'll hold the bowl.
Can you get in? Just a little bit so it doesn't explode in our faces. You can do a little more than that, just not all of it at once. Okay, I think that's about good. Put it in the bowl.
There we go.
Okay, we got a raisin. Let's actually add in the baking soda and the salt along with this. How's it looking? Yummy? Good. My hair.
The most important part.
Chocolate chip cookies. The chocolate chips.
Thank you for it. There you go.
How can you make chocolate chip cookies if you don't have cookies?
You mean chocolate chips? I mean, you can't make cookies without cookies. I guess that makes sense.
Okay, let's make it all mixed in good.
Now tell me it looks like the dough now. Smells good.
It looks delicious. Look at that.
Melissa, mix! We need mix a little more.
Where'd that come from? Wow.
No, it's trying to kill us.
Okay, looks good, but
They're
it's
out
still.
for revenge.
It looks good, but still a little liquidy. So I think we're gonna add in just a bit of extra flour.
Let's mix.
Wrong way. There's so low on it.
Make it fly out. That's never happened before.
Good, maybe that's good. Now we gotta chill this for about 20 to 60 minutes. And we really need to do this because since we use applesauce, we really need it to hold its form, and the only way you'll do that is if we chill it. So we're gonna pop this in the fridge, and then it'll be time to scoop and put in the oven.
Bake at 375 degrees for 9 to 11 minutes. How do the cookies taste?
Really good.
Good? Well, I hope you enjoyed this video of allergy-friendly cookies. Please like and subscribe.
See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.